Building a positive self-image is essential for living a fulfilling life. It allows you to see yourself positively and feel good about yourself, leading to better relationships, greater success, and a higher quality of life. Unfortunately, many people struggle with low self-esteem and negative self-image, which can hold them back from achieving their full potential. The good news is that building a positive self-image is possible, starting with changing your thoughts. In this video, we will discuss strategies for building a positive self-image. Self-image is the way you see yourself. It includes your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs about yourself. It is the mental picture you have of yourself and the course you feel about that picture. A positive self-image is one where you see yourself positively, with qualities and attributes you value and appreciate. A negative self-image is one where you see yourself negatively, with qualities and attributes you dislike or feel ashamed of. A positive self-image is important for many reasons. It can lead to greater happiness and fulfillment in life, better relationships, increased confidence and self-esteem, and greater success in your personal and professional life. When you have a positive self-image, you are more likely to take risks and try new things, which can lead to personal growth and development. A positive self-image can also help you to be more resilient when facing challenges and setbacks. On the other hand, a negative self-image can hold you back from achieving your goals and living the life you want. It can lead to feelings of worthlessness, insecurity, and self-doubt, negatively impacting your relationships, career, and overall well-being. Building a positive self-image takes time and effort, but it is achievable with the right mindset and strategies. Here are some tips to help you build a positive self-image. One of the first steps in building a positive self-image is identifying your strengths and values. This involves closely examining your skills, talents, and qualities that you appreciate and value in yourself. Focusing on your positive qualities and strengths is important rather than dwelling on your weaknesses or areas for improvement. Make a list of your strengths and values and use them as a guide to help you make decisions and set goals. When you focus on your strengths and values, you are more likely to feel confident and capable, which can help to build a positive self-image. Self-care is an important aspect of building a positive self-image. This involves taking care of yourself physically, emotionally, and mentally. This can include eating a healthy diet, exercising regularly, practicing relaxation techniques, and getting enough sleep. Taking care of your physical and emotional needs can help you to feel better about yourself and improve your overall well-being. Feeling good physically and emotionally makes you more likely to have a positive self-image. Negative self-talk is a common problem for many people with a negative self-image. This involves your negative thoughts and beliefs about yourself, such as, "I'm not good enough," or "I'll never be able to do this." To challenge negative self-talk is important to identify and replace these thoughts with more positive and realistic ones. For example, if you think, "I'm not good enough," you could replace this thought with, "I may not be perfect, but I have strengths and qualities that make me valuable." The people you surround yourself with can greatly impact your self-image. Surrounding yourself with positive people who support and encourage you can help you to build a positive self-image. These people can provide positive feedback and allow you to see your strengths and qualities. They can also be a source of motivation and inspiration, encouraging you to pursue your goals and dreams. On the other hand, being around negative or critical people can damage your self-image. These people may undermine your confidence and make you feel inadequate or inferior. It is important to surround yourself with positive and supportive people who believe in you and help you to see your worth. Setting realistic goals is an important part of building a positive self-image. When you set achievable and realistic goals, you are more likely to feel successful and confident. This can help build a positive self-image and increase motivation and self-esteem. When setting goals, it is important to break them down into smaller, manageable steps. This can help make the goal more achievable and reduce feelings of overwhelm or anxiety. Celebrate your accomplishments along the way, no matter how small, and use them as motivation to keep going. Practicing gratitude is a powerful way to build a positive self-image. This involves focusing on the things in your life that you are grateful for, rather than dwelling on the negative. When you practice gratitude, you shift your focus to the positive aspects of your life, which can help to increase feelings of happiness and contentment. Make a habit of practicing gratitude daily by writing down a few things you are grateful for. This can be as simple as a beautiful sunset or a kind gesture from a friend. When you focus on the things you are grateful for, you are more likely to see the positive in yourself and your life. Seek professional help. If you are struggling with low self-esteem or a negative self-image, seeking professional help can be beneficial. A therapist or counselor can provide you with tools and strategies to help you build a positive self-image and improve your overall well-being. Therapy can also provide you with a safe and supportive space to explore your thoughts and feelings and gain a deeper understanding of yourself. This can help you to develop a more positive self-image and improve your relationships, career, and overall quality of life. In conclusion, building a positive self-image is an ongoing process that takes time and effort. It involves changing the way you think about yourself, focusing on your strengths and values, and taking care of yourself physically and emotionally. By practicing self-care, challenging negative self-talk, surrounding yourself with positive people, setting realistic goals, practicing gratitude, and seeking professional help, you can build a positive self-image and live a more fulfilling life. Remember, you are valuable and worthy of love and respect, and with the right mindset and strategies, you can build a positive self-image that reflects your true worth. Thanks for watching.